Okay, so this is a video to install this new credit card machine to your POS. First of all, when you undo the package, it'll have something like this attached to this machine and also a power adapter. What you're gonna do for each register, you will go to this existing credit card machine and then first of all unplug the LAN cable, which is an internet, from this machine. Simply just press the tip and there it is. Once you have the LAN cable disconnected from the existing credit card machine, you will be plugging this into the red one, just like that. Make sure it snaps into the cable, and this is the power adapter, which will go to here where I'm pointing with the finger. I've already plugged it in to the wall, so I'm just gonna plug this in, and then once you do that, it's gonna start booting. It's gonna take about 30 seconds to about a minute, so let it just wait. One very important thing when plugging this in is to make sure you write down the IP address, which I will show you where it pops up in a bit. So once this thing pops up, you will see the IP address like this. So you make sure to write it down because it's gonna disappear just like that. Once you're up to this point, you'll be calling me to finalize the rest of the settings